A very good morning class. Myself Pooja Kushwaha and I am your science teacher, and I am here again with another lecture on the lesson 3, that is fiber to fabric. Okay. Yesterday we have learned about the process of spinning. Today we will learn about the next topic, that is yarn to fabric. How yarn converted into fabric. We will discuss this thing. And yarn to fabric, there are many ways by which fabrics are made from yarns. The two main processes are there are two main processes are making yarn. Is first one is the weaving and second one is the knitting. So we will discuss weaving today. Okay, we will discuss weaving today. There is no need to write anything in the fair copy in lesson 3 right now. जब तक नहीं बोला जाए तब तक मत कीजिएगा. ओके, सो द प्रोसेस of arranging two sets of yarns together to make a fabric is called weaving, right? So what do you understand with this definition? The process of arranging two sets of yarn together to make a fabric is called weaving. वो प्रोसेस जिसमें हम दो सेट लेते हैं यार्न के, यानी कि दो यार्न लेते हैं और उनको एक साथ लाते हैं, अरेंज करते हैं, इस प्रोसेस को हम बोलते हैं वीविंग करना. ठीक है, अब हम देखते हैं कि ये वीविंग कैसे कर सकते हैं. तो इसके लिए मैं एक एक्टिविटी दिखाऊंगी आपको. ओके, एंड यू हैव टू डू द सेम. इफ़ यू हैव द पेपर्स विद यू, यू कैन शो मी now. If you don't have this thing, you can show me tomorrow. We have take two color papers and measure it by the 10 centimeter, 20 centimeter, whatever you want. I am measuring it 10 centimeter only. Centimeter. (21 to 30). Same as here. This side difficult to measure me. Okay. I'm doing this because you need a square paper. Okay, if you have the square paper, then it's very good. Now I'm cutting it with the help of scissor. Okay. Now we got this. Same as I cut the second one, two colors we needed. for this process, the weaving process. Okay, now fold it into half like this. Now draw some equal lines over there. Let's measure first. It's about 10, 9. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, likewise. Okay, now we have to cut it like this, but not in the end. Folded side use for cutting. Okay, good enough. Now unfold it like this. We got 2 pages of like this. One page we need to cut totally, so easily we can cut it from here. We get some strips with us. Okay, this kind of strips, let's use it. After cutting this, we have to fix it. Like I hope you all have seen चारपाई जैसे बनी होती है, वो भी वीविंग ही होती है. हम उसी प्रोसेस को करने वाले हैं. सो जस्ट होल्ड दिस and try to fix it like this, up and down, up and down. Now I think it is clear to you why I have taken different colors for it. Okay, like this. You can fix it with the glue at the end. You can take the more larger strip. Okay, likewise. Now use this one. Next, if you are using first one from the down, then next one you have to put from the front. It is like this. Okay, like this. I hope you all are understanding the process of weaving. If you will done with your hand, it will be more clear to you. You can make it more proper. Okay, so this activity is to show you the process of weaving. Of course, our fabrics are yarns are not so much of bigger. They are minute and at micro level, so that our clothes are very comfortable to us. Okay, in the similar manner, 2 sets of yarn are woven to make a fabric. The yarn are much thinner than our paper strips, of course, and weaving of fabric is done on the looms. The looms are either हैंड ऑपरेटेड और पावर ऑपरेटेड. हाथ से भी ऐसे बनाया जाता है कुछ चीज़ें, जैसे साड़ियाँ वगैरह, स्पेशली बनारसी सिल्क वगैरह, और पावर ऑपरेटेड यानी मशीन के थ्रू. ओके, सो इफ़ यू आर available with these things, you can make it now and show me. If you don't have these things at your home, then no need to worry. Just color the paper one side and use it as a color paper and do it and show me tomorrow. Okay, today it is your today's homework. Okay, thank you class, thank you for watching.